In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Wayfair affiliate account for home decor with some niche tips along the way. If you're ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing and focus on the booming home decor niche, then you've come to the right place. Let's get started and set you up for success with Wayfair's affiliate program. First, you'll need to go to the website www.impact.com. This site serves as the platform for managing your affiliate accounts with various brands, including Wayfair. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner and you'll find the Sign Up button. Click on it, and from the options presented, select I'm a partner. This choice indicates that you're interested in becoming an affiliate partner with companies like Wayfair. Next, you're going to fill out some basic information. This step is crucial as it sets up your affiliate profile. Enter your name, email address, website details, and any required payment information. Ensure your details are accurate, as this is how you'll get paid for your efforts. After submitting your personal information, the next task is to search for Wayfair amongst the list of available brands. Once you find Wayfair, you'll see an option to Apply to Program. Clicking this lets Wayfair know you're interested in partnering with them to promote their home decor products. An essential part to note is the approval process. Once you've applied, you'll need to be patient and allow 1 to 3 days for Wayfair to review and approve your application. It's during this waiting period that having a quality website or blog can make a big difference, as it shows your potential to drive sales effectively. Once you've been approved, it's time to navigate to Wayfair's affiliate page within the Impact dashboard. This page is crucial for managing your affiliate activities with Wayfair. Here, you'll find your personalized affiliate links or even banners for the specific home decor products you wish to promote. Make sure to choose items that align with your audience's interests, whether it's modern home decor, minimalist design, or other trending styles. With your links and banners ready, it's all about tracking your progress. Return to your Impact dashboard regularly to monitor clicks and earnings. This feature provides invaluable insights into which products your audience prefers and enables you to optimize your strategies to maximize engagement and revenue. And that's the entire process, from signing up to monitoring your affiliate marketing efforts for Wayfair. With these steps, you're now equipped to tap into the lucrative home decor market and start earning through the Wayfair affiliate program. Best of luck and happy affiliating.